So what is the standard of care in Florida dental malpractice cases? Hi, my name is Charles Buist, and I'm a dental malpractice, personal injury, and wrongful death lawyer, and our firm handles cases in Florida, Georgia, South Carolina, and North Carolina. And today, we're going to be talking all about the standard of care in Florida dental malpractice cases. So let's get right into it. In Florida, a dental malpractice case starts out with what's called a Notice of Intent to Initiate Litigation, or an NOI. Other states like South Carolina have similar pre-suit and pre-lawsuit requirements. The NOI is essentially a phase of the case that is tacked onto the front of a personal injury case, and it adds a 90-day pre-suit investigatory period wherein both sides can investigate the injury claim and determine whether it can be settled before the filing of a lawsuit. As part of the NOI requirement in most cases, a claimant must provide an expert affidavit that outlines how the dentist breached the standard of care. Now, I say in most cases because there are some cases where the negligence is so obvious that at least theoretically, an expert affidavit would not be required. However, in the overwhelming majority of cases, an expert witness affidavit will be required. So as we just talked about, the expert must opine as to how the dentist breached the standard of care. So what is the standard of care? Well, to put it simply, the standard of care is essentially that minimum level of care that Florida law will tolerate from a dentist. Notably, this is not just bad dentistry. It's dentistry that's so bad that it falls below that minimum standard, such that an expert can confidently say that the treatment constitutes dental negligence. Now, the standard of care in dentistry is going to vary from procedure to procedure. In other words, there's going to be a standard of care for root canal procedures, just as there's going to be a standard of care for extractions and dental implant procedures. Thus, when a patient is injured during a particular procedure, the expert will review the records and determine whether the dentist breached the standard of care in performing that procedure. So how do you know if you have a good dental malpractice case? Well, as we mentioned, one threshold question is whether the dentist breached the standard of care. And if the dentist breached the standard of care, another critical question is whether the patient suffered serious damages as a result. Or did the patient die as a result? If so, the patient or that patient's family may have a strong dental malpractice case. You're looking for the breach of the standard of care and serious damages, because medical malpractice cases are very different from normal personal injury cases. In other words, they're very, very difficult cases, and they're very expensive to bring forward. Well, that's all I have for you today. If you think you've been the victim of dental malpractice, and if you'd like to talk with us about it, please don't hesitate to give us a call. We're happy to give you a free legal consultation and talk with you about whatever happened to you. All you have to do to schedule your free legal consultation is call us at the number below in the video description. Or you can look us up at www.carelessdentist.com. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll see you next time.